Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. Open the pixel lab, select the shape, adjust the shape, copy the shape, change the color. Then select another shape, back the shape, save the shape, adjust the shape confirmation. Select the erase color to back the color red. Select the import button, go to the gallery, select another photo, adjust the photo. Then select the import button, go to the gallery, select another photo, adjust the photo to back the photo, change the color, adjust the color, select the stroke, adjust the color green. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.